Hi spelling class, welcome back to another lesson. So great work on your spelling tests. You all did a fantastic job and you should be proud of your awesome spelling. So keep up the great work. I thought we'd start today's class by reviewing some of the sounds we've been practicing. So our first sound is k, right? So it sounds like a K sound, but it's made with the letter C. So some of the words we looked at were car, can. So all of these words have the k sound, but they're spelled with the letter C. The next sound we looked at is our favorite pirate sound, R, right? So we looked at words that had this sound such as part, car, far. So all of those sounds have the AR sound or the R sound. The next sound we looked at is ing, right? So this will come at the end of a word, such as falling, doing, going, right? So that sound is spelled with the letters I and G. The next sound we looked at is the sound th, right? So words such as the, that, this, all of those words have the th sound, which is spelled with the letters TH. The next sound we looked at is the sound sh, right? So words such as sharp, shave, all have the sh sound, which is spelled with the letters SH. The next sound we looked at is the sound V, right? It's spelled with the letters VE, and it has, or words such as have, shave, all have the V sound. And then in the last few lessons, we looked at a new sound, which is the sound all, right? So words such as tall, fall, haul, all have the all sound, which is spelled with the letters AL. So now that we're done that, I'm going to quickly review our new 10 spelling words. Right, so we have the word also, come, will, you, do, park, they, with, tall, and can. So many of the words in this list have a lot of the sounds we've been practicing, right? So one example is the word also, right? Has the all sound. Our next word, come, has the k sound. Another word is the word park, has our R sound. They has the th sound. With, once again, has the th sound. And the word tall has the all sound. And our last word, can, has the k sound. So what I want you guys to do is on your worksheet, you have each of these words typed out. And what I want you to do is practice writing each word 3 times. So you can pause the video now, review your words, maybe sound them out, and write each word 3 times. And then I will see you guys in lesson 11, part A. So you can pause the video now and I'll see you in lesson 11. So welcome back, guys. So we're going to be looking at lesson 11 today. So I'm going to read what it says in our book. So it tells us to find part A on your worksheet. It tells us that we're going to write sentences made up of words we've already learned how to spell. So our first sentence is going to be, will you give me a call? Once again, the sentence is, will you give me a call? So we're going to write that sentence on line number 1. Remember, when we're writing a sentence, the first letter of the first word will need to have a capital letter. Also, this sentence is a question, so we need to remember to put a question mark at the end. Once again, our first word or our first sentence is the sentence, will you give me a call? So say it with me. What's our first sentence? Get ready. Will you give me a call? So you can pause the video now, write that sentence in, and then we'll look at our second sentence. So the second sentence is the sentence, the mast fell on the ship. Once again, the second sentence is, The mast fell on the ship. So let's say it together. Get ready. Sentence 2 is the mast fell on the ship. So let's sound out each of these words. So word 1 is the word the, right? So that has our th sound, which is spelled with the letters TH. So the word the is spelled THE. Remember, we need to put a capital T at the beginning since this is at the beginning of our sentence. Mast, right, is spelled M-A-S-T. So M-A-S-T. Our next word is the word fell, right? F-E-L-L. F-E-L-L. Great work. Our next word is going to be on. N, right? So sound out your sounds. O and N. Our next word is the, right? So once again, we have our th sound. So TH, and we need our E. And then our last word is the word ship. So we have the sh sound, which is spelled with the letters SH. I is the letter I, and P is the letter P. So once again, our second sentence was, the mast fell on the ship. So if you need to pause the video, make sure you wrote that in. Please do so, and then I will meet you in part B. So in part B, we're going to write a sentence. First, we're going to fill in the missing letters, and then underneath, we're going to write the sentence down. What the sentence should say is, they read part of the book. So once again, the sentence is, they read part of the book. So what's the sentence? Say it with me. Get ready. They read part of the book. So what I want you to do is to try to fill in the missing letters for the first part, and then underneath, write out the full sentence. Don't forget to start the sentence with a capital T, and then you're going to end the sentence with a period. So you can pause the video now, and I'll see you in part C. So welcome to part C. So I'll read what it says in our book. You're going to write words that go across, but you have to figure out what the words are. So find sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 tells about arrow number 1. So it says, hold on tightly or you might blank, right? So if you don't hold on tightly, you might fall. So for arrow number 1, we're going to write the word fall. Fall is spelled, get ready, F-A-L-L. So this has our all sound that we've been looking at. So once again, for sentence number 1, the word was fall. So looking at arrow number 1, we're going to write the word fall. For sentence number 2, the sentence says, she rang the school blank. So it should be, she rang the school bell. So for sentence number 2, once again going across, we're going to write the word bell. We spell the word bell, B-E-L-L. Great job. For sentence number 3, it says, she had a blank in the play. Right? So she had a what? She had a part in the play. So for sentence number 3, going across, we're going to write the word part. For sentence number 4, it says, don't knock blank the doorbell. So if you don't knock, you're going to ring the doorbell. So for sentence number 4, our missing word was ring. So then by arrow number 4 going across, we're going to write the word ring. And then for sentence number 5, it says, he trained his dog to blank his shoes. The missing word is the word get. So he trained his dog to get his shoes. So once again, for arrow number 5 going across, we're going to write the word get. So if we spelled all of our words correctly, then we should have made all of the words that come down. So word number 6 coming down should be the word calling. What word? Get ready. Calling. Right? Great job. Word number 7 going down should be the word cab. What word? Get ready. Cab. Word number 8 going down should be the word lent. What word? Get ready. Lent. Word 9 going down should be the word got. What word? Get ready. Got. And then our last word going down, if we spelled all our words correctly, should be the word tall. What word? Get ready. Tall. So great job on today's lesson. Please continue to practice your new spelling words, and I'll see you in our next class.